Hi, this is Ellen from the Mount Holyoke College Art Museum. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to look up artwork in our online database. First, go to the Art Museum's website at artmuseum.mtholyoke.edu, and then you'll want to select the Collections drop-down menu and then search the collections. Once you're on this page, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see the bold words "Start Your Search." Click on that link, and that will bring you to the Five College Collections database. Another way to get here is just to Google Five College Collections database. Because we share this with the other colleges in the consortium, plus Historic Deerfield, you'll want to select our institution from the drop-down menu, so Mount Holyoke College Art Museum, if you want to restrict your search to things that are in our collection. There are basically two types of searches, a basic keyword search and an advanced search. So first I'm going to show you that keyword search. You can basically put anything in here if you want to put an artist's name or maybe the medium or a date range or even just a general keyword. So let's do a general search and look for portraits. So I'm going to type in, it's usually best to do the singular of whatever word you're looking at, and type in portrait and search. And you'll see that this gave us a rather large set of results. In the upper left-hand corner, you can see there are 566 records, but we're only seeing 20 of those records at a time. So if we scroll down, we'll see the other pages of our results. And notice that the artwork is in order of accession number. The accession number is the unique number that the museum assigns to each artwork. In this case, we can see that the earliest artworks coming into the collection are 1878. And if we scroll down to the bottom, we can choose to move forward in time. And this is actually a great tip. If you're looking for modern and contemporary work, it'll most likely be works that came into the collection fairly recently. So I'm going to click on page 29. And there we'll see some works that came in just last year into the collection in 2019. If we click on any of these works, we will get more information, like the artist's name, in this case, Martin Gutierrez, the name of the work, the date, the medium, the measurements, etc. And at the bottom of this record, we'll see the media images, or the media records. So if you click on any of those images, you will get a larger image that you can see better, but also you can right mouse click to either save or copy the image for your own personal or educational use. So that's a basic keyword search. If you want to do an advanced search, go back to the top menu in the upper right corner and click on Advanced Search. And here you'll see all of the fields that you can use to search for specific information and refine your search. Always want to select your institution if that's what you'd like to do. So I'm going to select Mount Holyoke College Art Museum. And let's see if we can just refine the last search that we did. I happen to know we have some great works by the Moche. So I'm going to type in Maker Culture Moche from Ancient America. And in object title, I'm going to type portrait. So let's see what we get when we search using those two terms. We'll see we have 2 records, so that greatly reduced our search from 566 records to just 2. And here we have 2 portrait head vessels from the Moche culture in Ancient America. So again, if we click on either of these, we will see the full range of information about this object, including, in this case, the description label text, which gives you a little more information about the object, and keywords and tags, as well as the media records, which in this case, because it's a 3D work, we'll be able to see it in the round, which is really very helpful. So there you have it, how to do both a basic keyword search and an advanced search. So happy searching. Thank you for listening.